Cheryl here from ENJO. So grubby office chair? Yep, there is an ENJO for that. Here's me with the Living Strong fibre and just some water, and you will see in a second all that mac just lifting off that white leather chair. That ink, everything, just from all that daily use. With total ease, water. There's nothing here that's going to damage the leather or anything at all. It's just a fibre and water. Quick, effective and safe. This is a great all-round fibre for having in your home, the car, the caravan, the office, etc. Great for lots of different jobs, including glass, mirrors, hard surfaces, computer screens, telly, kids' toys, shoes, etc, etc. As quick as that, job done. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.